Just what you need for renewed feet. Our callus remover foot kit is the right step to removing calluses, corns and dead, dry skin. Enjoy soft, smooth, beautiful feet again. Professional pedicure tools. Our foot care kit includes a professional quality metal file, 4 pumice stones and a nail brush to effectively rejuvenate your rough, calloused feet. Gentle, effective exfoliation. Our stainless steel foot file rasp and double-sided, coarse, fine pumice stone gently scrub off dead skin buildup to reveal smooth, baby soft skin. Complete foot care kit. Our kit gives you the pedicure tools you need for a spa-like experience at home. Enjoy cracked heel repair and sandal-ready, healthy feeling, renewed feet. Transformational, suitable for all skin types, use our tools on wet or dry skin. Pair with our callus remover gel, sold separately, for best results. Show off your feet confidently again. Top reviews from the United States. Use in conjunction with callus remover gel for optimal results. I've used these rasps for years. This particular set is great quality and comes with the foam foot files and nail scrubber, so if you need those, this is a very good value given it's an additional $1 off with coupon. I use the rasp file after I apply callus gel.